SKD.CLUB, Sergey Krylov presents live Sunday, January 16, 2022. We're going live and we're presenting company FREEVOLT in Mariah, fantastic name. She will give us a little explanation about this company, about the product, about herself, about her hobbies, whatever she wants to talk about. It's her time. Go ahead, Mariah. Please speak.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mariah Garcia with FREEVOLT USA, the solar company. I am the executive assistant at our headquarters. So we are a Polish company created in 2005, and we are both the manufacturer and installer of our panels. So what makes our panel so special is the graphene. Graphene is a superconductor that is 200 times stronger than steel, atom for atom, 97% transparent, zero resistance to allow the electrons to flow freely. So if you're interested in getting a quote for solar, our number is 858-246-7304. Again, my name is Mariah Garcia with FREEVOLT USA, the solar company.
And the website?
Website is www.freevolt.com.
FREEVOLT.com. Very easy to remember. It's right there, FREEVOLT.com. Fantastic company. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, I consider this company for my personal home in Rancho Santa Fe in San Diego County. So please give them a chance. Even if you have some other estimates already, I really encourage you, give them a chance, because the product they represent, built in Europe, Eastern Europe, in Poland, and have a very unique features, very unique scientific research behind the product they deliver. I think it's going to be win-win relationship. Am I right?
Yes, you're absolutely right.
So Matt, you good, but Mariah is really good. All right. So basically, yeah. So can we introduce your partner?
Course.
What is this lady's name? Michaela.
Oh, hello.
Michaela, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
What's your position with the company?
I am the project manager at FREEVOLT USA.
Project manager, okay, go ahead. You manage?
I manage the installation of the panels from signature to permission to operate.
And you manage for San Diego County, or you manage for United States?
Palm Desert.
For Palm Desert, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, but you help if you have extra work, if they have extra work in San Diego, you can help them too?
Yes.
Okay, Michaela, thank you very much. A pleasure. So now, last question, Mariah.
Yes.
2022 just started. It's very unpredictable, very unique year. What can you say to your clients, potential clients, to your friends, to your neighbors, even to your enemies? What kind of word of wisdom, word of inspiration can you share just in the world, from your heart, not from the business, from you? What do you say?
I would say going solar now rather than later is something that I would recommend, especially with NEM 3.0 coming up. So if you sign up before March, you can get grandfathered in with the NEM 3.0 or 2.0.
Okay, 3.0, 2.0.
NEM 2.0 currently, if you get solar before March.
Before, you can say, okay?
Yes,
all right.
you can get grandfathered in.
And for 2022, the best wishes to people?
Yes, best wishes to everybody in general.
Global.
Yes, absolutely. No, to go green and to go solar, save money. Yeah, absolutely.
You're still in the frame of a business. I want you to say, stay healthy, stay happy, stay focused, stay energized, build a personal relationship, happy life. So speak something from the heart.
Stay away from COVID, stay healthy, keep safe, and best wishes to everybody.
Thank you, Mariah. It's a pleasure to speak with you. Matt, thank you very much. Pleasure to be part of in the same exhibition and participate in your grown business. We're very, very pleased. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's the best interview we had so far. Thank you, guys. Right. Thank you very much. Yes, you did great. You did great. Amazing.
Thank you.